Cookies with tray. This is the cartoning machine of our medium model standard type with glue machine. Packaging speed can reach 30 to 60 boxes per minute. It is possible to add a glue machine and use hot melt glue to seal the box, and it can also be used directly for the packaging of tuck and boxes type. Our standard machines with wide compatibility can be packaged in different box sizes with just a simple adjustment. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, the best choice for your first step towards automation.
Okay.
Cookies bulk.